This trade here on Binance Futures is just another example of why I rely only on my own trading strategy. It took me years to create, but now it feels like second nature. So that's why all the time I tell my students and viewers that it's important to create your own trading strategy or master one that really works. And the next step, I guess, it's simple. You just have to stick to the plan. Follow the rules, respect your money management method, and perhaps you will have the same result as I'm doing here. A good strategy will give you good winning signals, and a great strategy will tell you when to avoid the losing trades. So it's not just about the wins. Avoiding the losses is also important. So yeah, if you are interested in learning